Venus, the fiery twin of Earth, cloaked in mystery, shrouded in thick clouds of sulfuric acid and boasting temperatures that can melt lead. With its scorching heat and clouds of acid, Venus is a world unlike any other in our solar system. It's a planet of extremes, where the surface pressure is 92 times that of Earth, and the winds can reach speeds of up to 224 miles per hour. Today, we're diving into 20 mind-blowing facts about this insane world that you absolutely need to know. From its retrograde rotation to its volcanic plains, Venus is full of surprises. Let's buckle up and explore Venus like never before. We'll uncover the secrets of its thick atmosphere, delve into the mysteries of its surface, and learn about the incredible missions that have dared to visit this hellish planet. From the early Soviet Venera missions to NASA's Magellan spacecraft, humanity has been fascinated by Venus for decades. These missions have provided us with invaluable data, helping us to understand this enigmatic planet. Did you know that Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most planets in our solar system? This retrograde rotation means that the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east on Venus. Venus is also home to some of the most extensive volcanic activity in the solar system. Its surface is dotted with thousands of volcanoes, some of which may still be active today. The planet's surface is a harsh, rocky landscape, shaped by volcanic eruptions and intense heat. Radar images have revealed mountains, valleys, and vast plains, offering a glimpse into the geological history of Venus. As we look to the future, new missions are being planned to further explore Venus. These missions aim to answer some of the biggest questions about this mysterious planet, and perhaps even search for signs of life in its clouds. So join us on this incredible journey as we uncover the wonders of Venus, a planet that continues to captivate and challenge our understanding of the solar system. Fact 1. Venus is Earth's twin, but only in size. Venus may be called Earth's twin, but don't be fooled. Sure, they're close in size, but Venus is a far cry from anything like home. Its extreme conditions will blow your mind. Fact 2. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Forget Mercury. Venus claims the title of the hottest planet, with surface temperatures reaching a staggering 900 degrees Fahrenheit, or 475 degrees Celsius. It's hotter than an oven. Fact 3. Venus has a runaway greenhouse effect. Venus's thick atmosphere is 96% carbon dioxide. The planet is trapped in a runaway greenhouse effect, turning it into the solar system's ultimate hotbox. Fact 4. Its atmosphere rains acid. Venus doesn't just have regular rain, no, it rains sulfuric acid. The extreme atmosphere ensures this acid never reaches the surface, but imagine clouds so toxic. Fact 5. Venus rotates backward. Here's a weird one. Venus spins backward. On this planet, the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. It's the only planet in the solar system that does this. Fact 6. One day on Venus lasts longer than a year. This might sound unbelievable, but it's true. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, has a very unique rotation and orbit pattern that sets it apart from other planets in our solar system. Venus takes 243 Earth days to complete one rotation on its axis. Imagine standing on the surface of Venus and experiencing a single day that stretches out for what feels like an eternity. This slow rotation is due to the planet's dense atmosphere and the gravitational influences of the Sun and other planets. In contrast, Venus takes only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. This means that while Venus is slowly spinning on its axis, it is also moving relatively quickly around the Sun. The result is a fascinating phenomenon, where a single day on Venus is actually longer than its entire year. To put it into perspective, if you were to celebrate your birthday on Venus, you would experience a full year before the planet completes one full rotation. This unique characteristic of Venus makes it one of the most intriguing planets in our solar system. Scientists continue to study Venus to understand more about its unusual rotation and what it can tell us about the formation and evolution of planets. So next time you look up at the night sky and spot Venus, remember that a day there is longer than a year. Fact 7. Venus has no moons or rings. Unlike Earth, Venus has no moons or rings. It's out there in space, spinning backward and alone. Fact 8. Venus is covered in volcanoes. Venus is home to more volcanoes than any other planet in the solar system, over 1,600. Some may still be active, making Venus a volcanic wonderland. Fact 9. Venus's atmosphere is 90 times heavier than Earth's. The atmosphere on Venus is so dense that it would feel like being 1 kilometer underwater on Earth. You'd be crushed instantly by the intense pressure. Fact 10. The Soviet Union was the first to send probes to Venus. The Soviets led the charge to explore Venus, with their Venera missions giving us the first ever images of its surface. It's a key moment in space history. Only halfway through, and Venus is already blowing our minds. But trust me, the next set of facts will take it to a whole new level. Let's dive back in. Fact 12. Venus has metallic snow. At the highest elevations, Venus has metallic snow. It's made of lead and bismuth sulfides. This reflective frost makes the mountaintops glisten. Fact 13. Venus is the morning star and evening star. Venus is so bright that ancient civilizations named it the morning star and the evening star. It's the third brightest object in our sky, after the sun and moon. Fact 14. Venus might have had oceans. Billions of years ago, Venus could have had Earth-like oceans. Scientists believe water once flowed on Venus, but now all that's left is a barren, baking surface. Fact 15. Venus has superfast winds. Venus's winds are insane, reaching speeds of 200 miles per hour in the upper atmosphere. That's faster than any hurricane on Earth. Fact 16. Lightning strikes Venus. Believe it or not, Venus has lightning storms. Even with its intense atmosphere, scientists have observed lightning flashing through the planet's thick clouds. Fact 17. Venus reflects 75% of sunlight. Venus is an incredibly bright object because it reflects 75% of the sunlight that hits it. That's why it's so easy to spot in the sky. Fact 18. Venus has a circular orbit. Unlike most planets that have elliptical orbits, Venus has the most circular orbit of any planet in the solar system. Fact 19. Scientists think life could exist in Venus's clouds. Some scientists believe microbial life could survive in Venus's upper atmosphere, where conditions are cooler. Could life exist in the clouds of Venus? Maybe. Fact 20. NASA is planning new missions to Venus. NASA is gearing up for 2 exciting new missions to Venus, Da Vinci and Veritas, set to explore the planet like never before. As we conclude, Venus remains a planet we can't stop thinking about. Its mysteries and extreme conditions continue to captivate scientists and enthusiasts alike. Studying Venus not only helps us understand our neighboring planet, but also offers crucial insights into Earth's potential future. Venus might not be our next home, but it's definitely one of the most fascinating and mysterious planets in our solar system. With its thick, toxic atmosphere and surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead, Venus presents a world that is both extreme and captivating. The planet's surface is a scorching desert-scape, dotted with volcanoes and vast plains of solidified lava. Its atmosphere, composed mainly of carbon dioxide, creates a runaway greenhouse effect, making it the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury, which is closer to the Sun. The extreme weather on Venus includes sulfuric acid rain and winds that can reach speeds of up to 224 miles per hour. These conditions make Venus an incredibly hostile environment, yet they also provide a unique opportunity for scientists to study planetary processes and atmospheric dynamics. The volcanic activity on Venus is another intriguing aspect, with some of the largest volcanoes in the solar system, such as Mouad-M, towering over the landscape. These volcanoes may still be active, hinting at a geologically dynamic planet. If these 20 insane facts blew your mind, imagine what else is out there waiting to be discovered. Space exploration is a journey of endless possibilities, and each mission brings us closer to understanding the universe we live in. Don't forget to subscribe for more space discoveries, and hit the bell for notifications. Join us as we continue to explore the final frontier, uncovering the secrets of planets, stars, and galaxies far beyond our own. Your support helps fuel our quest for knowledge and adventure, and we can't wait to share more incredible discoveries with you.